Isa na namang pasabog na balita ang ating pag-uusapan. Usap-usapan ngayon ang matapang na sagot ni Bella Padilla sa isang netizen na nagsabing hindi siya bagay sa It's Showtime. Ayon sa netizen, I saw you on that show with Vice Ganda and her gang. I have to say, it doesn't suit on you. You come across as a smarter actress and intelligent filmmaker. All these nonsense shows with their stupid cheap jokes at the expense of their guests is not you. I'm just saying. Pero hindi nagpaawat si Bella. Sa kanyang sagot, sinabi niya, I totally disagree. If one is truly smart, they can adapt to any environment. I always have the best time when I'm on Showtime. I genuinely love talking to people and making them laugh. And I am self-depreciating enough to be laughed at too, so it goes both ways. I've been regularly visiting Showtime since 2017, and I'm lucky that Vice and her gang always make me feel welcome and never oblige me to let go of what I really am, which is a filmmaker. Talaga namang walang takot na ipinahayag ni Bella ang kanyang saloobin. Kitang-kita sa kanyang mensahe na buo ang suporta at pagmamahal niya sa It's Showtime family. Kaya naman, maraming fans ang umaasang maging regular host siya ng programa. Lalo na ngayong magiging busy sina Ann Curtis sa local adaptation ng It's Okay to Not Be Okay at si Kim Chiu sa kanyang pelikula na My Love Will Make You Disappear kasama si Paolo Avellino. Kaya mga kakita-kits, ano ang masasabi nyo sa sagot ni Bella? Gusto nyo rin ba siyang maging regular sa It's Showtime? I-comment na yan sa baba at pag-usapan natin yan. Huwag kalimutang i-like ang video na ito, i-share, at mag-subscribe sa Kita Kits Showbiz channel para sa mas marami pang showbiz updates. Hanggang sa susunod na balita mga kakita-kits, ito ang Kita Kits Showbiz. Kita-kits ulit tayo!